How do you feel about bowling?
I feel like I'm not that good at bowling.
Yeah, you're not.
And that's why I got the bump hit.
Yes, you got the... Embarrassing.
Look at that scoreboard.
Don't worry about that.
Does that say 0? I think it does. For both
It's
of us.
for warming up.
How do you do it?
You just get your body and your arm to go where you want it to go. And you need your left leg in front of you. Left leg. But look, you want your arm to be here. You got it?
Can I crouch down?
You can. Don't hurt yourself. You get it?
Okay, I didn't hit any of them, but I got it.
You got it. You didn't go in the gutter. Yeah, you got it?
Yeah.
Step back. Yeah, I went in the gutter and then I rebounded off. That's right. That's right. The one time I get it straight down the center is when I miss it completely. You got it. You didn't go in the gutter.
But it was worse than last time.
Look at your You got it pretty well. Yeah. Changing the ball size worked. I got wide. Pretty good. You're so close. You gotta ride the gutter. You just ride the gutter, you'll be good.
Yeah?
Yeah. You're leading. I gotta beat your score. Yeah. I'm almost dead.
You are there.
Yeah. That's right. We got double, triple digits.
Henry won. But look, we did like so much better once we turned the camera off.
Yeah. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 strikes, 1 spare, and now we've got 3 spares.
I got 3 spares.
That is crazy. Compared to our first scores.
That's how that went.
Yeah, we're pretty good.
Did you enjoy it?
Power couple. Triple digits. Ignore that the bumpers were on though.
And Henry totally didn't nearly just destroy.
Wow.
Okay.
Anyway, see you.
Guys, we got this beautiful cookies and cream drink. Do you like it?
I love it.
Oh, we haven't tried it yet. and we're gonna split it 50-50. Don't look over there. Don't look over there. We have fun here.
Yeah, we do.